one thing that's good about being in person is listening out on your phone calls with clients. And I overheard you saying that you're worried about the world. What do you mean by that?
Well, yeah, listen, we've had an amazing run in asset prices, right? You look at Tesla became a $1 trillion stock. Yesterday, Apple touched $3 trillion and had a pretty big reversal. $3 trillion stock on like 38 times earnings. And so nothing's cheap. And part of that valuation story has been we had a Fed printing money nonstop. Powell gets reconfirmed, decides he has to act like a central banker. We've had just completely wrong Fed policy, right? They should have tapered a long time ago. They should have raised rates a long time ago. And now we're going to get to that. So we'll learn more tomorrow. But end of the year, people are starting to sell things. And everyone I talk to feels nervous right now. And so if you look at the Apple chart, broke down yesterday, it looks like it could easily go another 7-8%. Tesla chart looks like it's broken. NVIDIA, these are the three things that were really holding up the market. Those things are breaking down. And we already saw it in crypto. Crypto's come off a lot from the highs. It trades heavy. It doesn't worry me medium term because everywhere I go, I see people getting ready to invest in the space. But just in the short term, I think we could have a messy equity market for the rest of the year and maybe even to the first part of the first quarter. And crypto, I think, could go sideways to down.
When you say down, then what's the floor to crypto and the entry point for you?
Listen, I think Bitcoin 42,000 is at a pretty important level that should, like low 40s should hold. We started the year at 30, and so there's been so much of a change in mindset in this space. I was in the Mideast, and two of the biggest pools of capital are starting to get into Bitcoin mining. We just raised a $500 million convert. You saw New York Dig just raised a big round. There's been over $30 billion that's gone into venture. And so much money is pouring into the space. It would make no sense that the crypto prices would go much below that. We went from not being an institutional asset class to being an institutional asset class. And so, but I do think there was a lot of froth, right? NFTs went wild, and while I fundamentally believe in the NFT architecture and that lots of these NFTs are going to retain value, there's lots that won't. And so end of the year, people have to pay tax. A lot of crypto guys are buying real estate. There's a shocking amount of new homeowners that are financing their homes through crypto profits. And so you're seeing some indigestion. It's probably healthy. If you're long, it feels painful, but it's probably healthy. And I think we'll set up next year for a really exciting, kind of future development as these businesses really build out.